First impressions are everything. Step inside. The open layout is filled with natural light, making the entire main level feel bright and expansive. The kitchen has been completely remodeled. It features a modern design that flows naturally into the dining and living areas. The primary suite is also located in the main level. It is a private retreat with spacious built-in closets and a fully renovated bathroom. Moving to the second level, you have a versatile workspace or home office. There are also 2 guest bedrooms. Both lead out to balconies with clear views of the golf course. Outside, the covered terrace overlooks a private pool and a landscape garden. It is the perfect setting for relaxing or entertaining in this tropical climate. Living here gives you the full experience. You have access to Mantarraya Golf Course and a private beach club with direct ocean access. The community is gated, with constant surveillance for total peace of mind. Whether you're looking for a primary residence or a vacation getaway, this property offers real value in a prime location. Send us a message to schedule your private tour.